I want to show you a little bit about how to use a 301 redirect file so that you can move your old pages to new pages and not hurt your Google rank too bad. Here's an example of an old page I'm going to move right now in front of you. Just an old page. You'll notice that it's a directory that I'm just not going to use anymore and a page name we're not going to use. So we're going to put in some code to make sure we change it. I have the new page ready to go. I've transferred it over here. I've cleaned it up a little bit. And why would we do this? Well, when you look at the amount of traffic we're getting on just that page in Google, it's 860 page views a month, so it's fairly strongly categorized. But right here at the top, Google gives us almost 540 pages. So it's important that we keep that and pass that value of this page onto our new page. So how are we going to do that? We are going to create a edit in our htaccess file. Here's the current one I'm using. It has a little more information than most because we're doing a number of things, and you can see I've already started to redirect a number of pages. Here's a much more simpler one. If you have a small site, you can get away with something as small as this. It's pretty simple. You want to have your redirect indicated, call it a 301. Spaces do matter, so you'll see we have spaces between all these pieces. And you'll simply put your old page and your new page. In this case, we had a confusion. We thought it might be an HTML and an HTML, so we went ahead and put both, and it really won't hurt. So we're ready to go ahead and change our page, and we'll simply just type in redirect a space 301 a space, and then we're going to put our old page, and we can use the folder depth because we're only going to be posting it to the site it's already on. We're going to put another space. Again, that's important. And I always put the full path of the new one because I want to reiterate that we have a hard URL there. I want to make sure I don't have anything after that, so we've now added that. We'll just simply save it and pull up our Dreamweaver, and here it is. You'll notice that there has to be a period in front of this file, so make sure that you're using a period htaccess and nothing else. And we will post it up. And there it is, and now we'll simply go over and check this. It's always important to do that. We'll hit this page and we'll hit refresh, and we came to the new page. So that's all you need to do. So it's pretty simple stuff, pretty important that you check it. If you get a bad file and do something a little bit wrong here in the code, you'll crash the whole site, so you'll immediately want to pull down that page and replace it with a clean file or delete it altogether. And again, the idea here is we want to make sure we're passing the authority of one page onto the other.